What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing overview. I don't typically do unboxings, but I finally got a new Apple Watch. I previously had the Gen 4. This is the Series 7, or Series 4. I have Series 7 now. So just give you a quick unboxing on what you get. This is the Midnight, which is your more black color. I don't think they make a black anymore. The Midnight almost looks a little bit bluish. So this is a newer design from the previous. You have 45. This is the 45 millimeter version. They also have, I think it's a 41, so they've got a little bit bigger in size. Gonna see what you get here in the box. So this will be your band. Nothing too special here. So the reason why I went back to one of these is I wanted to start doing a little bit more running, and I feel that these are a little bit better at tracking stuff than, and they just do better if you have an iPhone, which I do, so be a little bit better for just your overall general pairing and all that. Once you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's hard to go any other route. I do like some of the Garmin watches if you're more into the really hardcore fitness type stuff, but I mainly use mine for tracking running and my steps. I actually don't even like the messaging feature. Usually I turn that off. So you get your sports band here. The bands do feel a little different than the older ones. So I think they feel a little bit more flexible, a little bit softer than some of the previous versions. I'm not real sure about the color here. It does look a little bit bluish in person. It's kind of hard to, because if you see it here against the light, it does look a little bit more bluish, but you get your medium and your small bands, or your small medium, your medium large. Good packaging. Apple's always been good about their packaging. So the watch. On a side note, if you ever buy one of these and these are already pre-tore off, that is not new. I forget when Apple did this. I think they were having problems with, I don't know if it was counterfeit or not, but they have those tabs on there. The only reason I say that is because mine was a little bit dinged up. The box was when I got it. I got mine from Amazon because they've been on sale there pretty frequently for, I think, $370, $369, around there. Of course, you get your Designed by Apple stuff. Just get some paperwork here. There's not really a whole lot in here. It basically goes through on how to pair your watch, which is a fairly simple process. It's not anything complicated. Your charger here. Go ahead and get this opened up. I believe this is USB-C. You do not get a power brick with this, so you better hope you have one, which we do. But you get USB-C charging, and then it just sticks on here. Nothing too different from what they've been doing. They have this little hockey puck design. I do kind of wish that this was more of the color of the band, because it just has the silver version. So if you have a MacBook and you're all space gray, it will look a little different. And then the actual watch, so you get your little case here. The 45 millimeter has the one with the rounded edges. Actually, I don't even know if this is a case. How do you get it off? Nope, it's just paper. So it's not an actual case. I thought you used to get a case with them in the past, but there you go right there. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It'll probably want you to pair, but it doesn't hurt to turn it on, see what happens. Show it to you with the bands on. I generally don't buy Apple Care with these. I generally just pay cash for my phones and watches, and then go from there. Maybe. So that's it. I'm not going to pair it up here. It's a pretty simple process once you have it paired with your phone. I'll probably charge it, make sure it's charged up, but I don't know how I feel about the color of it now that I'm looking at it. So basically you have your dial here and your actual power on and off button, and then you have a little speaker here. And I don't know if this is a speaker or just a port, but the blue is a little, it's definitely a different color. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks more blue than Midnight. I guess it depends on what light it's in. But that's it. That's just quick unboxing and overview. These are on sale pretty frequently at Best Buy and Apple, so do not pay full price for them. So that's it. I'll get a more long-term review of this up as I use it. That's it. Have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever's up there. I'll see you guys next time.